If you don't like downtime but still need efficiency, then 𝐀𝐮𝐭 is your go-to solution. Let's dive in. 𝐀𝐮 Products Bangladesh, in collaboration with authorized partners like Wave Engineering and Supreme Engineering BD, is revolutionizing industrial automation. Whether you're in textiles, pharmaceuticals, or food and beverage, we've got you covered with top-notch automation and drive solutions. Imagine increasing your productivity, reducing energy costs, and enhancing product quality all at once. With our range of inverters, motors, gearboxes, and automation components, you can turn that vision into reality. Our certified partners bring unmatched expertise, offering comprehensive system integration, reliable support, and repair services. They're not just suppliers, they're your dedicated partners in achieving operational excellence. Why choose 𝐀𝐮𝐭? Our focus on quality ensures you get genuine parts designed to meet the highest standards. Plus, our local partners are committed to delivering timely service, ensuring minimal downtime and maximum efficiency. But we don't stop there. 𝐀𝐮𝐭 Products Bangladesh is leading the way in sustainability by providing energy-efficient solutions that help reduce your operational costs and environmental impact. Ready to power your future? Connect with 𝐀𝐮𝐭 Products Bangladesh today and discover how we can help your business thrive. Remember, with 𝐀𝐮𝐭, it's not just about automation, it's about driving efficiency and empowering growth. Visit us at 𝐿enzA.com.bd to learn more and take the first step towards a smarter, more efficient future. 𝐀𝐮𝐭 Products Bangladesh, your trusted partner in automation excellence.